afternoon. Hi, we're hiking from the Norcaville. We pass so many plants there, like banana. There again, banana and sponge gourd. Sponge gourd. No, sa Tagalog ay patola. Okay. Climbing and what sponge gourd, climbing to the electric wire. Then I pass this, a little basketball court. Some boys are playing here. So. Hi.
Hi.
Shout out to your loved ones. Shout out, shout out. Hi, thank you. Then we'll go there. Hi. Hi. How are you, children?
Pogi ako. Ate, yan, like,
yes. Say hi to your mom.
Hi.
Shout out to your mom and dad. What they call this? This kind of fruit. What is that? Aratilis. No? I don't know the exact name, but we call that aratilis. Oh, there are so many children there playing. What kind of a place that? What kind of a game? Basketball?
No, volleyball.
Ay, volleyball. Oh. Sige, play, children. Oh, look at, very small, but she wants to play a volleyball. Oh, there is a street food here. Oh, they are cooking like what's that? That is
Kikiam cheese.
kikiam. Hi.
Hello po.
Mabinta ba ito lahat? No? Mabinta lahat to.
Opo.
Oh. Thank you so much. Shout out to your loved ones.
Hello there, my loved ones.
Pangalan mo si
Mercy po.
Mercy
Soto po.
Soto?
Opo.
Wow! Ano mo si Big Soto?
Bye.
Sige. Shout out mo si Big Soto pala. Thank you. Bye-bye. Yeah, I will go there. Oh, here we are now. No, climbing to the highest street there. Hi, what's that? What kind of a pot is that? What kind of a pot is that?
Tinapay.
Ni. Oh, paano na pag
Tayo naging famous dahil kay Lola. Hello.
maging ano yan? Like ice cream? Ano?
Palaman.
Very good.
Hello.
Hi, shout out to your mom. Sige, bye-bye.
Bye! See you next day. Yung mga po mo yan, Nay? Channel to my sister. Apo mo yan?
Kali hindi.
Gusto ko ano?
Oh, wow. There's a big store here. Oh. Wow. 3-story. Now we are climbing now already. No. There in a high street of Norcaville. No, I want to look some bananas here, but like banana that I saw last month or 2 months ago, that the fruits, no, it's very long, no, from right until the until the street. Oh, but now no more, it's already gone. But but there are so many bananas here bearing fruit. Oh, there are many bananas here. No. Ay, what happened to that? Na parang bago lang no, natumba. Oh, sinadya. Ayan. Okay, pero makakain na rin yan. Sa amin lang.
Vlog yun na yun.
Ha?
Vlog kayo no?
Yeah. Sa amin, parisa ng ano yan, bagoong. Sige, thank you. Oh. No, I'm looking for the banana there, oh. Like that yung ano niya, fruit. Kuhan lang to. Oh, we're going now in the highest place, oh. There in Norcaville. Before, where is the what road is that? The Malapitan Road or Bagumbong Road. It's too high. Very too high. It's too high. Oh, even here there are so many bananas. Look at. Oh, they are bearing fruit. A very big bunch of bananas. Oh, look at. They will go down. Oh, you must be careful if you are riding a bicycle, because very low there. I'm passing. What kind of building is this? I don't know what kind of a building is this. Whew. Ay Lord. Ay. Praise God. Oh. Then I'm walking there so that I can reach the Bagumbong Road, because this road is Norcaville. Oh. Bagumbong Road. There are so many buildings here. I don't know what is the hi, hello. What's that building is that? We are walking. I think it's almost 3 kilometers. 3 kilometers. No? From there up to in my house. So this is what they call this. This is if you have riding a vehicle, you must pay, no? Parang tax. Like, anong tawag, no? Pag magbayad dito? Anong tawag pag magbayad ka rito?
Ano po, guardhouse?
Pag magbayad ka ba, tax or what?
Ano po? Opo, parang ganun po sa awa.
Oo.
Opo.
Thank you. Kano lang. Hi. Oh, malapit na po tayo sa Bagombong Road. Oh. Park of walking until Terra Nova. Woo. And this is a terminal for Norcabil. Norcabil din up to what? Norcabil and everywhere. Yung road ninyo. From Norcabil. Right saan? Thank you. Slowly. We are now ready in Bagombong Road. Bagombong Road. Big building. Like so many motorcade, others. It's called our umbrella. What's that? Our place is very progressive. No, when I arrived here, no, this Bagombong is very are so many train stop and bus. But as of now, there are so many buildings here. I will cross. It's very hard to cross. There are so many vehicles. I will cross. So many vehicles in Bagombong Road. this? Truck rental pala. Hi! Good afternoon. So sila, nagpa-rent kayo ng mga car?
Ha?
Nagpa-rent kayo ng mga car? Thank you. This is a very busy street. Daming dumadaan dito because this street is very accessible to another house. Now here in Bookville. Oh. Raining. So we must walk faster. What LPG delivery, this is a stack of LPG. And now, sing. Ngayon lang tayo makakita. Your kids are only passing this area. Your kids only are passing this area. Again, we are passing this oh, so many motors here parking and the tire supply first. Then we are arriving this area that has a school of, what is the name of that school? That is school of I don't read it properly. Our Lord's Angels School. Now we are almost entering the Terra Nova. Our area, there are so many trees here, no? Very big place. This was built by the owner of this area. So, in many kinds of trees are planted in this area. We are almost entering the gate of Terranova Mine. Terranova Mine. Hi. Now, we are now in this is what we call this. This is family homes and Bagumbong, Caloocan City. Our barangay is very progressive barangay in Bagumbong. 7-Eleven, then very hard to cross the street.
Music sa'yo. Hindi alam ko lang.
Alam ko ngayon ako, pametro ko siya, kaya nito magbatang,
Hi, hello. Okay. Here in Terranova. That is a Neo Vista subdivision. Is a mahogany tree. Oh, look at very and now we're entering already in Terranova Mine. We're entering now. Entering now in Terranova Mine. This is the tricycle and so many tricycle there here and the drivers, no? Hindi ka mahirapan kung ikaw pupunta sa Terranova. We are entering now in Terranova Mine. This is our guard. Ayaw magpakita ng mukha. This guardhouse. Okay, okay. Oh, my friend. Tumatalikod. Oh no. So many tricycle here. I don't know. Hi. Shout out to your loved ones. Marami pala rito. There we go. Ay, Lord. This is our Terra Nova main. Nice to look at here. Now we are on the way to Terra Nova 2. Terra Nova 2. Hi. Shout out to your loved ones.
Para sa'yo, Nay? Nagpa-vlog ka, Nay?
Yeah.
Saan mo yan? Papanoorin ko yan. Saan mo yan?
Sa Reels lang. Ay, hindi. YouTube.
YouTube ang pangalan sa YouTube. Nanay
Sister Bini.
Ha?
Sister Bini. Hindi ko
Ah,
yata.
Sister Bini.
Oo, hindi ko
Oh,
yata.
sige lang.
Kunin mo, pre, kunin mo.
Ha?
Hindi ko.
Benny.
Sa ipos.
Sigat kami dyan.
Sa Reels ko, Bini Balukan.
Sa?
Sa Reels. FB Reels.
Oo.
Oo, FB Reels
Hindi na,
ko.
ipapalo ko na.
Oo, sige, thank you. Thank you so much. Now we are on the way to Black 2. Ay, Royal, Black, hindi, Black 2. Royal 2. And this is main, Terra Nova main. Now we are on the way to Terra Nova 2. Hi. Oh, we are now almost passing. Oh. So, the basketball court. No, we are now here in basketball covered court in main Terra Nova. It is a covered court, basketball court in Terra Nova. Some children are playing basketball here, and then the major court, they are playing basketball. This basketball court is very big, no? Very big basketball covered court.
Natatawa ako, Tay.
Oh,
Nagpo-volleyball.
oh, doon. Oo.
Nagpo-vlog ka ba rin,
Shout
Tay?
out. Oh.
Hello.
Oh. No. Then we're passing already. Then we proceed to our place. No, it's almost. Hi, how are you? Some of my friends is no, his name is Linda.
Oh, may
Her name is Linda.
may ano yata si ate. Ng cat chatters. May may apam.
Oh,
May apam ka te.
no,
Nagre-reels, nagbi-beach.
nag-ano ko.
Nagre-reels ka.
So, there are so many food here.
Many food years. Na, magpapaalila ka lang sa ibang bansa kung foreigner, wag na.
Hindi.
Oh, hindi akala mo magandang foreigner.
Hey, just for friend only. Oo.
Come to breakfast coffee today.
Yeah.
Rainy day. It's hungry day. It's hungry time. Bakit ko
Yes, perfect.
Hindi nga nagpapakita yun. Nasaan na? May pera yun. Nagkatanggap nga ng 6K kako eh. Aba! Nung Webes
Sige, bye-bye, my friend. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hi. Hi.
natin, Linda. 6K. Nung Webes pa yun, kaya hinahunting ko, wala eh. Tapos na. Puntahan ko nga.
Now, we're proceeding to General Batu. This our place here is very progressive. So, even this place is subdivision. This subdivision is socialized, but there are so many big houses already. They develop their house into a big building. But in socialized housing is only a row house. But they develop their house and make a big building. That's why I can see that our subdivision is very progressive. Oh, how about you? I can't buy some food because I have only one. I have only one dog remain. They are all died. Only one dog remain. Hi. Bye bye. We are proceeding to our house there in Pisto. Hi, say hi. Shout out. We are now here in Maine. What kind of that? What is the name of that? So, in Pisto, Maine. We can see. We have so many palamig. Even no. No. They have so many palamig. Even it's raining. I almost forgot you.
Na. Merienda na eh.
No?
Oh,
How much is this?
10 po.
Yeah, I taste this.
Bagong luto yan, sir.
Kanina, ubos na eh.
I will try.
Sir, ah.
Ay,
hindi po kayo nagpayong.
Ay, Diyos ko.
Ano?
Tuwad man. I didn't notice that my camera is
Gusto nyo pa po, pwede pang ito ha. Ito po, may payong sir oh.
doing like that.
Nakukumute na kayo? Wala pa nang naghatid.
This is my friend in Pagadian. Pagadian, war in Pagadian. Santa Lucia.
Saan ka nga sir? Sa Dominic?
Ako na sa mani akong paghawag ng kamera.
Pila man?
Eh, saan yun?
Sir, kamo?
One only.
One only.
One only. I will.
Dalawang sakay kayo.
May cheese pa sa loob?
Opo. Eh kung pwede na sana kayo mag-single sir eh.
Ayun ba?
Now we are proceeding to phase 2. So, no, for passing this, I don't know what is the name of this. Huh? Basta. No, we are passing this place. Ay, good afternoon, ma'am. We are proceeding to phase 2, but this place is main, Terranova main. So, this is a huge tree. We're passing the huge tree here near the church. So, it's very that is very good when it is summertime. No, it will give the shade to the people who will pass by. No? We're almost entering in Terranova Pisto. Entering in Terranova Pisto. Then I am passing my favorite salon, my friend in Mindanao, my favorite friend, my favorite salon. We are passing here because I will go home. No? Hurry up. Hurry up. This is very. It is a rainy day. It's a rainy day. In the rainy season, there are plants, no, that cannot survive, no, in rainy season. They will die because of the water, no. Especially in the shady place or more trees, no, the plants will die in a shady place. Oh wow, no more cars here. We're passing already our neighbors here who bring the mineral water into our house. But no, when it is sandy, I don't know if they were open or close to the oh. Oh, it's close. If Sunday, they will close their store. Now we are entering now and Pisto, Terranova Pisto. We're entering now in Terranova Pisto. No. And there is a dragon fruit climbing in the hills. There are so many snake plants there. Almost seeing our oh, palo lang. Oh, reaching our house. We are almost, we are almost reaching in our house in Pisto. And this is our I just finished our HUA office. And now approaching my little house here. My little house here in Terranova Pisto. And this is our small house. Thank you so much.